Alright guys, I have a video for you today. It is a tier list on tactile switches. I have not tried many tactile switches myself, only a handful. So it'll be a short list, but it'll be my personal experience. This is of course lubed. I don't, I lube all of my switches that I use. I mean, it's almost a necessity at this point. If you don't lube your switches, I highly suggest you do. So the first switch I'm going to start with is the one I hate the most, which is the Zeal Silence. Going into F tier right away. I cannot stand the feel of those for some reason. They are awful. Awful, awful, awful. And obviously the the top tier, S tier Holy Pandas, they feel good. They have the really nice stock sound. They overall are just a great switch. Next, we'll go with the Halo Clears and the I can't remember what that Halo Trues. Halo Clears and Halo Trues. We'll put them at B. They are fairly smooth. The only reason they're at B, they would be at A with a spring modification, but these are stock switches just looped. They are fairly smooth and they have a good feel to them, but the spring weight is just insane. I would say the Halo Clears are the superior over the Halo Trues. So if I could rotate them, I would. Next switch, we are going to go to Gara Brown. And a lot of people are gonna kind of scoff at this one, but I'm gonna go A tier with them, honestly. I actually really like Gara Browns for some reason. I think it's because I had an Pro back in the day with Gara Browns that I used for a long time, and I used them a lot, and they just felt good to me. I mean, I don't know why. They just felt really good. Next we'll go with the Lilac switches. I would say they are A tier as well. They're a good feeling switch, good sound. Reasonably priced. The only problem is availability is pretty hard to get on them. You can get them on Canon Keys. Sometimes they're available on there. But it's just they're just hard to get. But they are a good switch. The next would be, I think these are called the Cal Speed Silver. I'm pretty sure that's what they are called. One check. Yeah, no, Speed Copper, my bad. Speed Copper, my bad. I forgot, I switched them up. I'm gonna put him at D tier. I didn't try him for, no, actually we'll go C. I didn't try him for very long. But I don't know, I just didn't like him that much. It could have been the keyboard that they were in. Didn't have the correct plate material for them, but I don't know, they just didn't blow me away. But actually, I'll move Gara Browns down to B. I'll move them down to B tier. Not A tier. So now we'll go with the Zelios. These are A tier. I've used these in a few builds of mine. I still have some left over that I plan to use in the future. Um, and they are good switches. Oh man, fuck! I forgot a switch, so I'll have to write one in. Um, Blueberry. I would say these are S tier. Um, I forgot for some reason. I would say they're S tiers. They're a great switch. I really like them. I've used them in one build already. I plan to use them in a second build for my Key Colt #1 TKL when it comes in. And yeah, they're a good switch. I highly recommend them. Novelkeys did a good job. Good job with those. Next, we're gonna go with MX Browns. D tier. They're just scratchy, not good. You know. I don't have to say anything. You know. Now, a different story is vintage MX Browns. Those will go A tier. Oh, did I not select the brush? Vintage. There we go. I'll put them in A tier. I won't quite put them in S tier. One reason is they're extremely hard to get. You can get them still. They're just extremely hard to get, and it's just not. It's not. It's just not something you can go by. Yeah, okay, I want to snag these for a build real quick. Some of the ones you can't snag for a build real quick are Holy Pandas. Now, when I am saying Holy Pandas, I am counting all varieties. The ones built with Yak, B-Sun, Glorious Pandas, the Envier Pandas. All of them, they're pretty much the same. You know, there's been lots of comparisons. They're all pretty much the same. So I'm sticking them all together. And guys, this is just the switches I've tried. Okay, I know there's a lot more tactile switches, and this list is MX only. This does not include Alps, otherwise there would be a lot different of a list. But anyways, I hope you liked the video. If you are looking into some tactile switches yourself, here's a few different options for you to choose from. And honestly, I'm really saying if you want a budget linear switch, like if you're just doing a straight up budget build, Gara Browns are the way to go. I mean, honestly, I'm not sure if Gatorons have a milky brown, but if they do have a milky brown, that would be the way to go. And for your money, that's for a budget build. If you're going all out, I'll go Holy Panda or Blueberry, Zelios, Lilac, or MX, the vintage brown, MX Browns. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, everybody. Have a good one, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Bye.